Hello! In this chapter, we'll take a closer look at parasitic infections of the gastrointestinal tract. Parasitic infections are fairly common in cats. There are several different species of parasites which can inhabit the GI tract and cause symptoms like vomiting and diarrhea. Other species are associated with subclinical infections, meaning cats can harbor the parasite without showing any overt signs of illness. Because parasites are so common, all cats with signs of GI disease should be tested to rule out a parasitic infection.